Hey, tell about your.
Okay, this is a Scorpion. We call it Scorpion boat. It's a single motor 5.6. So the ESC is 300. So running 8S to 12S. Currently, this one is a gas boat lah. I convert to electrical boat lah. So now I want to see how this thing perform. It's a skill boat lah, not so fast lah. Okay, here we go. Okay, now get ready to launch the boat. Than 5 to 7 kg.
5 to 7 kg.
Okay, this is a ZTW 300. So I got this servo. Servo is waterproof 40 kg. So I'm using Noble receiver. So running 8S. So the motor is 5.6. It's a 5.6 motor. I put below here.
5.6. Big.
Yes, 5.6. Because you know 5.6 this thing you cannot leave. So the motor is 5.6 below here. So that's the motor. The motor 5.6. So the shaft is 6.35 lah. So everything.
Then this one, is it original or you add on?
No, it's the original.
Oh.
It can remove. If you want to run faster, run 12, I need to remove the tail, fiberglass. But I have a coating doing the enforce for the epoxy and the fiber cloth lah. About two layer.
2 layer.
Yes, 2 layer. Because all the wood here is the wood you need to where we gonna water you will get sore. All the you need to use the wood lacquer, waterproof wood lacquer to lacquer it everything. Go down. Yeah. Thank you, Maha. This is a Scorpion without the tail.
Oh.
Yeah, so now giving. Justin，有保是没有关系，只是那个度啊。多买。No wonder I see one. 超誒，the haven't unplugged。
啊，after juice 看到。